Back to 20 car. The 2025 Honda N600 Concept doesn't resurrect history, it reinvents gravity, a pocket supernova fusing Japan's K-car ethos with tomorrow's audacity. Imagine a silhouette folded from origami and defiance, razor creases, pop-up LED headlights that wink like fireflies, and a rear hatch glowing like a shoji screen lit from within. This isn't a car, it's a manga panel sprung to life, where minimalism dances with mischief. Interior, a microcosm of Maximalism. Crack the door to a womb of ingenuity. Bamboo weave bucket seats hug like a judoka's grip, while a floating dash, carved from recycled ocean polymers, pulses with holographic koi fish that swim as speed climbs. The steering wheel? A hexagonal heirloom, its rim embedded with haptic glyphs translating road textures into fingertip sonnets. Voice-activated AI, named Kaze, navigates with the intuition of a Kyoto tea master. Yet, cargo space shrinks to a bonsai shadow, a trade for poetry. Performance, the calculus of joy. Beneath its micro-sculpted hood lies a 1.5 liters turbocharged hybrid 3, spooling 212 horsepower and 320 Nm, a honeybee's sting in a hummingbird's frame. It leaps from 0-100 km height in 6.2 seconds, outpacing the Mini Electric and Fiat 500e with the cheek of a Shibuya street artist. Honda's EAWD system pirouettes on wet asphalt, while adaptive dampers mimic the supple give of a tatami mat. But rapid charging tops out at 80% in 30 minutes, a haiku cut short. Value, the economy of wonder. Priced at 4,500,000 yen, it straddles thrift and thrill. Honda's Evergreen Promise bundles lifetime battery health checks and AI-negotiated insurance rates. Depreciation? A mere 18% over 5 years, proof that joy holds value. The drive, a symphony of small. Accelerate, and the universe condenses. The whir of e-motors, the scent of cedar oil vents, corners hug like a lover's secret. This car doesn't drive, it flits, a sparrow threading skyscrapers. Flaws. Rear seats fit only origami cranes, and the touchscreen lags during typhoon rains. But these are grains of sand in an hourglass of delight.